In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Android mobile WhatsApp with your computer or laptop using WhatsApp Web. This is a fantastic way to stay connected across multiple devices, whether you're working from home, the office, or just managing chats more effectively on a larger screen. Let's get started by setting this up. First, on your computer, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It can be anyone you regularly use, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type in web.whatsapp.com. This will take you to the official WhatsApp web page. You'll notice that right there, a QR code is prominently displayed. Now, this QR code is the key to linking your phone's WhatsApp account to your computer, so keep that page open. Next, grab your Android phone and open the WhatsApp application. You should be looking at your usual chat screen. Now, this part might vary slightly depending on your device's user interface, but generally you'll want to look towards the top right of your screen. Tap on the three dots. This is your menu button. From the drop-down menu, select Linked Devices. This feature is specifically designed to connect your phone to other devices, like your computer, using WhatsApp Web or the desktop app. Tap on Link a Device, which will prompt WhatsApp to open the camera on your phone. Now take your phone and point it towards the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Ensure the QR code fits entirely within the scan box on your phone display. This process is similar to scanning any typical QR code, almost like you would use the camera for taking a picture. It's essential to be at a reasonable distance where the scanner can clearly see the entire code. Once your phone successfully scans the QR code, you'll instantly see your chat list appear on your computer screen. This means your account is now linked and you can begin using WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can read and respond to messages, participate in group chats, and send files, all from the comfort of your computer. This setup does not alter the app on your phone. It merely lets you access and manage your conversations through a computer interface. And there you have it, all set up and ready to go. Remember, for this process to work smoothly, ensure your phone and computer are connected to the internet. Also, periodically check for updates, enabling you to enjoy the latest features and security enhancements WhatsApp offers. With this, managing your messages just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for joining me today.